uroma makwega kuraga tuthi kwi waforo imwe kwa imwe kinyagia kuria kia Mwangi
twini nigo twike guo eka undu ngwenda kugwetana kana kuongerera tukihurukia baba nigwenda kumwirira ati kuhurika brothers gutiri kundu yathie ni amonanie ndi muini na ni undu uguo ni nguhutia rwimbo rwakwa verse 1 na chorus Wali 27 tukihurirwo thimu tukirwo ati baba ni atutiga kiana maithori kiyura ngoro-ini citu ithuothe gutire wakomire.
Pole. Just relax. Thank you. Muritu uria uratutungire rwimbo ni undu wa gitio kia Jimmy wa Yune. Karibu sana. Hiuha nigetha tuthii kinya riu ringi. Twesha tuthiite wega na tutigutika hine na uguo tuthiite uguo. Tukatuiga kuhitiria thirikari. Ogeni ambao wameingia sai, karibuni.
Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani arogocwo. Ngai agogwe gikeno kana kuri kieha. Njitagwo Eunice Mwangi, ndi muini wa gospel handu-ini ha kiama-ini kiria wa Yune arari mumemba kiama-ini gia Tamko. No ringi kana kumwira goodbye on behalf ya mbeu njithi iria irari data yake. Nguga rwimbo rugaga huruka uhoro okinya tukonana ringi na Ngai ahorerie family tondu no ahote. Nituturanitie miaka mingi ma hindi gikeno tugakenanira hindi ya kihane twanomaniriria no riu ni wathie huruka uhoro mweri uyu ni hema iria yamburagwo ihinda ria kinya
reasonable way forward, which will be presented to the President and his team, and hopefully a decision will be made that can help us move forward. The reality has been told to us is that this pandemic is becoming endemic, and we have to find a way as Kenyans on how to live with it. And the reality that is coming to us is that every one of us must take responsibility. Banamutai Kagwe, the CS for Health, made it clear to us that unless we take responsibility, we may be here for a long time and in a bad way. And so we are taking care of that as a religious community and helping and working together with government to find a way forward that would be helpful to all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Lastly, I want to, on my own behalf and on behalf of my colleagues who are here, on behalf of government really, express our very sincere gratitude to our religious leaders in the country. We've had a very consultative, excellent way of